And here is our glossary part. Okay, glossary means meanings. From 6th class onwards, meanings will play a major role on both grammatical and vocabulary and communication and technical skills. Plays a major important role. Okay, and next I'm turning the page. Look my actions very clearly. Why? Because it's a new system and I'm not unable to you guys near to you to explain it clearly. So here I taken a chance to explain the about SM and textbook in a clear manner. So listen clearly. Okay children? Yeah. Next I'm turning the page. Some as usual reading comprehension you have, but there is no use regarding reading comprehension. I am talking on the point of view of exam. Okay, Nana? And here, some conversation. Yeah, this is conversation. Look here. A, B, C, D. 4 people are talking there. They are talking with each other. So the dialogues, the conversation between them, what we call it as conversation development. Okay, next I'm turning page. Okay, vocabulary. The main vocabulary we have in our textbook. Vocabulary which we have in textbook, the same content copies to SM. Here I am showing SM, right? The same topic may appear on textbook. Look here. I am taking the textbook and here is our vocabulary part. Look, the same topic. Same topic here. Okay, ma'am? Is it clear now? Yes, the same topic. And as usual, you have many vocabulary topics. Many vocabulary topics you have. Okay? And the same which we given on textbook. We have to fill this on both textbook and SM also. Okay? And next I am turning the same grammar topic. Here is the writing part. Look here. This is conversation. Very important topic, conversation development. Up to 10th class you may get this conversation development. On each and every class you may get this. Okay children? Some consonants and some many grammar topics we have from 6th class. Okay, now I am going with this. After vocabulary, we have some grammar topics. And next, look here, some answers and everything. And some writing part, some talking time, many types of grammar rules. Many types. Okay? Yes. An unexpected reward, the 1000 gold coins. These are 1B and 1C. And next, some fun time. Many more grammar topics we have. Some pictorial representations, tabular forms. And next, here we have the main workbook part. Workbook part. In essence, we have mainly work on this workbook part. Okay, children? Yeah. Reading comprehension A. Okay, that means we have, it relates to, yes, passages. Look here, Chitravarma. So, they may take one passage, they consist one passage from the lesson, and we have some questions regarding the passages, and we have to answer those ones. As usual, the another content from the lesson and questions, and the content from the lesson and questions. As usual, we may get 4 or 5 or randomly much more passages regarding the lesson. This is 1A. And I am turning the page, look here. Up to here, this is from 1A. Clever Tenal Ramakrishna. The lesson name may indicate at the last of the passage. Okay. And next, after 5th passage, we have 6th passage from the lesson 1000 gold coins. That is 1 B. Yeah, next also 1000 gold coins, 1 C. Yeah, Tenali 1000 gold coins is 1 C. Okay, next. And like that, we have some passages. After that, 1A, 1B, 1C, or A part, B part, C part. After finishing, we have the fourth type is own passages. Some unknown passages from out of our topic. It's not our, it's own passages. That's what we call it as unseen comprehension. Unseen comprehension. Asha is a girl, which does not relate to our lesson. And we have some passages and different types of questions like choose the correct answers, true or false. We may get mainly in this room. As usual, this is a bus stop, a man is standing. Other interpretation of non-verbal information, that is tabular form. Okay, tabular, some, this is also unseen comprehension now. And next, the next topic is section B. Section B we may get at the last of the lesson. Look here. This is what we called it as creative writing. Writing part. We have to think creatively. We have to create our own writing skills here. So look here. Some topics are given. We have to write in an order, or else diary entry. We have to write diary entry. Up to last year we asked you guys many times to write the diary entry, right? Yes, that's what we get mainly from 6th class. And next, cultural program, invitation card, notices. Okay, and next, geological park, write a diary entry again. And this is the main thing, story with hints. Story with hints. One more important topic, ma. In this, story with hints. This is one more important topic. Yeah. Why? Because look here. There is a story behind the hints. Some words may given. While using that words, you have to join the story. That's what we call it as story with hints. Okay, children. Up to here, we discussed about creative writing. And next, we will discuss about our next topic, section C and D. In this, we may get mainly synonyms. What is the meaning of synonym? Synonyms means meanings, similar words. That's what we get in section C. Look here, I am turning pages. After passages, we may get the part of vocabulary. I already said you guys, right? New words. The glossary part may plays the major important role from 6th class onwards. That's what I said previously, right? Yeah, here is the topic of vocabulary. Meanings. Just given like some sentences. On that sentences, we have some underlined words. See, first one, see. Look at the first one. This is looking like a sentence. Some 2 lines, paragraph like they given. On that, we have some red color underlined words. Yes, for those red color underlined words, we have to write the meanings. Write the meanings in the sense we have to choose the meanings from the box which was given on the top of the question. Yes, we have to choose the correct word from those box. That's what synonyms. And the next is antonyms. What is antonyms? Antonyms are nothing but opposite words. Look here. Here is the antonyms you have. As usual, the sentence may given. On that sentence we have red color indication and an underlined words. For those underlined red color words, we have to write the opposites. Yes, for example, busy, visit, these are the words given, right? We have to write opposite for those words. And next page I am turning. And next Roman we have is right forms. You already know about verbs, right? So in this Roman, we have to mainly check the correct verb or correct indication of the particular word in a right form. That's what we call it as right forms of the words. That is the one more Roman. And the next many topics you may get randomly on this section C and section D. So the next one is spelling test, word clusters. You have to write words by using the word clusters. This is what? A-I, A-U, E-A, E-E, A-E-I-O-U. We call them as vowels, right? The combination of vowels, that means one vowel combination with another vowel. In the sense, writing two or more vowels as one cluster. That's what we call it as word cluster. A-I is a word cluster. A-U is a word cluster. Joining of two vowels is called word clusters. Okay, children? Yeah, here I am writing that. The next topic is word clusters. Okay? Yeah, I am going with the next one in there. Suffixes, in the sense you may get mainly adjectives, adding ly, tion. Okay, that's what you may get one Roman with the name as suffixes. And next, wrongly spelled words. Wrongly spelled words. Some group of words may given. On that, you have to choose the wrong word and you have to rewrite the word in a correct manner. That's what we call it as wrongly spelled words. This is the Roman. And next, you have the Roman of classification of words. For example, doctor, engineer, bench, chalk piece. I said 4 words. What are those? Doctor, engineer, bench, chalk piece. Is all the 4 words related to single family? No. Doctor and engineer relates to persons. And bench and chalk piece relates to things. Yeah. Here is the introduction, that classification of words. You have to choose the correct family for the particular words which we have. That's what. This is the Roman. And the next Roman is suitable word. Some passages or some sentences may be given from the lesson or from the other side of the outside. Mainly we may get this Roman from the passages which in our textbook. You have to choose the correct word, suitable word. And next, some grammar topics like words, opposites, and proper prepositions. Many topics you may get. Okay. For every lesson, it may changes. For every lesson, the grammar topic may changes. Okay, students, I hope up to here everything is clear. But one thing is, mainly you have to work hard for creative writing. Creative writing is the basic topic from 6th class to 10th class to improve your communication skills in a proper and a technical way. Okay, children? Okay, thank you everyone. This is the introduction I am giving. This is not the lesson. I will share this directly in our group. Thank you everyone.